Good morning, everyone. I'm audible. Good morning. So, in last class, we have studied of permeability, also seepage velocity. Okay. So, what is Darcy law? So, according to Darcy law, Q is proportional to del H by L into A. Either we can say Q proportional to I, that is seepage discharge per unit length आवाज जा रही है सबको? So seepage discharge is yes. Discharge is directly proportional to hydraulic gradient, that is head difference by L. So it is also discharge inversely proportional to length of given sample. So for permeability measurement in laboratory, there are different types of experiment, that is constant head, falling head and variable head. So next is for permeability calculation. If soil strata is given, if different soil strata is these are the four soil strata. First height is the H1, H2 and H3, H4 is given, and head difference, water is flow within these strata. So we can calculate head difference as and discharge is Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 in these four strata, and also permeability is given, that is for first layer K1, second layer K2, third layer K3 and K4. So how we calculate equivalent coefficient of permeability? So here flow is in horizontal flow in a stratified soil. So consider the solid profile as shown in this figure, that is height of different layer is H1, H2, H3 and H4. Okay, and permeability is given K1, K2, K3 and K4. Also discharge, total discharge, if there is any difference, head difference and discharge, here discharge Q is flow this layer, that means Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. So for calculating equivalent coefficient of permeability, we can write here that is Q1 equal to, according to this equation, Q, that is equivalent into I hydraulic gradient and this one equal to this one and this one equal to K1 A1 hydraulic gradient is, that is head difference is common for this 4 layer I plus K2 A2 into I plus K3 So for calculating K equivalent in horizontal direction equal to K1 into H1 plus K2 into H2 plus K3 into H3 plus K4 into H4 divided by H. Okay. So we can write in simple way, if in strata, in soil strata is given KH, that K equivalent in horizontal direction, that is summation of H divided by summation of.
आपका वॉइस ब्रेक.
This is for first condition, if flow is in horizontal direction and head difference is constant. Okay. Next condition for if flow is in vertical flow. If flow is in vertical flow. So here a condition, different layer, height is H1, H2, H3 and H4. Okay. And flow is in vertical direction. That means head difference is something here. Flow is here. Flow coming from in vertical direction. Flow coming from this direction. So head difference up to first layer to fourth layer we can find by piezometric head. So this flow is in vertical direction. That means discharge coming in first layer to second layer to third layer to fourth layer is equal. So Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. Okay. And head difference also we can calculate. Del H equal to del H head difference is not equal for every layer. So head difference, total head difference we can calculate. Head difference in first layer plus head difference in second layer plus head difference in third layer plus head difference in fourth layer. So discharge is also different and head difference is also different. Sorry, discharge is equal. Discharge is equal in all layer and head difference is H1 plus H2 plus H3 plus H4 so on. So for calculating K equivalent in vertical direction, for K equivalent in vertical direction, we can write here equation that is Q equal to KV into I into A and what is I? I is hydraulic gradient. So I we can also write in terms of head difference that is del H y H so total length covered by head is H. This total height is H. So hydraulic gradient is del H by H. Hydraulic gradient is H by H into A. So for H1, for height, for head difference, first one height difference, we can calculate. Either we can say for del H1, for del H head difference, total head difference we can calculate. KV, here is the Q is known. So for total head difference we can write here Q into H divided by KV into A. Similarly, we can write for head difference in first layer that is Q1 and Q1 is also equal to Q. So directly write Q into H1 divided by K1 into A. Similarly, for H2, Q into H2 divided by K2 into A. Similarly, for H3, Q into H3 divided by K3 into A. Similarly, for H4, Q H4 divided by K4 into A. So for calculating K equivalent, now we can write here QH divided by KV into A equal to QH1 into K1A plus QH2 divided by K2A plus QH3 divided by K3A plus so on. So kb equal to h divided by h1 divided by k1 plus h2 divided by k2 plus h3 divided by k3 plus so on. So just remember capacitance. If capacitance is in series, then similar formula we can apply. हम लोग apply करते थे. तो similar cases here. If soil strata in vertical direction, if different types of soil strata is given and flow is in vertical direction, in that case, if we have to find K equivalent, permeability equivalent, then we can apply this formula, that is H divided by H1 divided by K1 plus H2 by K2 plus H3 by K3 plus as so on. So on the basis of these two formula, we can solve question. So write a question to find equivalent permeability constant. Question is, a horizontal stratified soil deposit consists of three layers, each uniform in itself. So each layer is uniform. The permeability of layer are 8 into the power 10 to the power minus 4. So there are three layers. K1, K2 and K3. So K1 is given, that is 8 into 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter per second. K2 is given 50 into 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter per second. And K3 is given 15 into 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter per second. And their thickness is also given, that is 6 meter, 3 meter and 2 meter. So H1 equal to H1, H2 and H3. Okay. So find the effective average permeability of the deposit in horizontal and vertical direction. Find the effective average permeability in horizontal and vertical direction. So in first condition, flow is in here. Flow is in this direction. So calculate KH equivalent and also KB equivalent. So apply formula. First formula is K equivalent equal to K1 H1 plus K2 H2 plus K3 H3 divided by H1 plus H2 plus H3. And second formula is H1 plus H2 plus H3 divided by H1 by K1 plus H2 by K2 plus H3 by K3. Apply these two formula and find the answer. Please try everyone. Basis of this formula also question every year comes in year in GATE, also in ES.
KH का वैल्यू KH इक्विवेलेंट का वैल्यू है 1.8 into 10 to the power -3
यूनिट
यूनिट होगा क्या है सेंटीमीटर पर स्क्वायर और यहाँ पर हाइट मीटर। एक मिनट में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं। मैम सेंटीमीटर पर स्क्वायर ही होगा।
सेंटीमीटर पर स्क्वायर तो परमेबिलिटी का यूनिट ही नहीं है। व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ परमेबिलिटी, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ परमेबिलिटी?
पता नहीं मैम।
So how much K equivalent for X, Kx and Ky in horizontal and vertical direction? What is the value? Okay, equal to and calculate as what is formula K1 H1 plus K2 plus K3 H, that is total H. What is the height? Total height 3 plus 12. So K1 plus 15
मैम धारनी
into
वेटिंग में है।
into 6 plus 50 K equivalent 8 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 6 plus, we can also eliminate 10 to the power minus 4. So 8 into 6 plus 50 into 3 plus 15 into 12 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by how much height is? Height is total 21. So 48 plus 150 plus 12, how much? So this total value 48 plus 150 plus 1, that is 370 by 2, 21 into 10 to the power minus 4, and this value equal to 18 into 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter per second, not centimeter per second square. Unit is similar to velocity, that is meter per second or centimeter per second. Similarly, we find K equivalent in y direction, that is the vertical. So kV equal to, formula is H1 plus H2 plus H3 divided by H1 by K1 plus H2 by K2 plus H3 by K3. So this is value is H1 is 6 plus 3 plus 12 divided by 6 by 8 into 10 to the power minus 4 plus 3 into 50 into 10 to the power minus 4 plus 12 into 15 into the power minus 4. So value, calculate the value 10 to the 21 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 50 plus 350 plus 12 by 8. So the value of equivalent permeability in vertical direction is equal to